Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. It does help the video out a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, today on the docket on Dave's Cooking Show, we have banana bread. All right, as you can see here, I've already added 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and I added a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I have a half a cup of butter in there that's at room temperature. And we're basically going to cream all these together, get them all nice and mixed up. And then we're going to mash up 3 ripe bananas. Ways to tell if your bananas are ripe: when they start getting those like black spots on them and shit, they're ripe for banana bread. Some people like to eat them like that. I don't, but that's when they're ready for banana bread. All right. Then we're going to add 2 beaten eggs. Then we're going to add a 1.5 cups of flour. And then we want a teaspoon of baking soda. Then a half a teaspoon of salt. Lock our mixer in and let the mixer do the work. Then, in a greased up bread pan, you want to add the batter and bake this in a 350-degree oven for 55 minutes to 1 hour. I think I just went with a clean hour. And then you want to test it by the knife test. Put a knife in the center, pull it out. If it's clear, your bread's done. Take it out and let it rest 10 minutes in the pan. Put it out and let it cool the rest of the way on a rack. And through the magic of cooking show editing, our bread is done. So, I gotta say, this did not last that long. Everybody enjoyed it. And, anyway, that's banana bread. Done.